Big, if you will, the picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets in bloom. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you. Leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Wait, hey, hey, hey.